So here I am, back from Jerry's the next day after work with my father's lathe to my side and the newly turned pulley. Unfortunately, I never took any footage of what it looked like before, but you can believe me when this whole part of the headstock and the bed were actually vibrating back and forth. It was pretty violent. Hopefully, we'll see a massive reduction, although I don't think we'll see a complete reduction. And I don't think I'll be hooking up the leather belt quite yet today, because really I just care about the power transfer system back here. Hopefully this won't be vibrating like it was. If this shakes violently still, then I know I've got problems. Step one is I'm going to test it with the same old 4060 V-belt that I've been using in the past. After work tomorrow, I'm going to probably go to Harbor Freight and buy one of those new V-linked belts, where you can adjust the size and you can run it through complex machinery. Jerry was saying that he saw a massive improvement in the vibration on his lathe when he switched, so I'm going to give that a whirl, but I didn't feel like fighting Austin traffic tonight, so we're going to give this a go first. Normally the belt would go on between these two sets of pulleys. And the power transmission between the power set of pulleys and the headstock pulleys would definitely cause some vibration. A future project, I'm going to replace the flat blocks with V-blocks, although I'm going to keep the flat blocks just for historical reasons. But okay, time to start it up, a moment of truth. So years ago my father set the reverse and forward, and this just changes the current coming into the motor. And we've got a start-stop rocker switch here. So, moment of truth. You can't tell from the amount of vibration that you're seeing, but this is much, much better. There's very little vibration compared to what there used to be. I'm actually pretty happy. So there you have it. The power transmission pulleys are not vibrating nearly as much as they had been before. So for future moving forward, I think I'm going to talk to Jerry about taking this back down, and we'll smooth it out just a little bit more. Before I do that, tomorrow I'm going to try getting the link belt, and then a longer term project is if we take a look at how this is mounted. It's mounted on two iron arms to a board, and it's not exactly highly stable. Let me turn it on really quick so you can see. This is definitely, there's room for improvement here. So moving forward, I'm going to do 3 more things to make this even smoother still. I'm going to try the linked belts that Jerry was telling me about. I'm going to take the pulley back down to Jerry's and probably take off just a little bit more material. And I think we have enough material left that it won't strain the belt. Finally, I'd like to take and disassemble the entire backplane off the lathe, set it freestanding, and make it out of metal completely. I think if I add that to the rigidity, if I make the whole system more rigid, then that'll reduce the vibration even more. So as it turns out, I'm really impatient, and I couldn't wait till tomorrow to get the link belt. So I'm going to put it on right now. So there you have it. That's the difference that the linked belt makes versus the V-belt. I do think at this point I'm going to take the pulley back down to Jerry's and continue to turn it. I still have my tool post that I had machined out previously, although there's a nice little gouge where the set screw is from apparently where it didn't stay too set. I guess that's what happens when you use aluminum for a tool post. But it should still be good, and it should still be centered to the tool, and we'll turn it down a little bit more, see what happens. How much for these?